This one I feel like I can get all that. I might have to poke my head up there, but it's okay. So I was gonna take this header off, but if I weld the whole thing up, and I'm trying to get that little carriage bolt back there in for the pipe and put the header on at the same time, it's like, it ain't gonna happen. I'm not gonna get it all lined up at the same time. It's gonna take like 3 people to do it. Weld this fitting on here completely. If I know you got your stick in your right hand, actually no, you're left hand welder. And I'm wondering in your right hand if you've got, if it's actually like a one-handed little shield, or if it's just your hand.
Should I give it a pump? Are you ready? Hey, this thing is going off the lip.
Let me pause the music real quick.
Don't worry about that music. 3, 2, 1.
That's what it's out. Ooh! This is just absolutely.
It's wider. You know what I mean? Like I didn't think. Yeah. It's a good glider.
Thank you, Mr. B. You made the 63 just absolutely straight.
Do you have a sense of accomplishment?
I do.
I could have done this in 3 hours.
Oh, okay.
Better. It would have involved some duct tape.
But it would have been coming out underneath of it.
It would have involved duct tape and chicken wire, like what was on the last exhaust.
It would have sounded like that for 4 seconds.